Hey everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. Today I will show you how to get Fortnite on iPhone on iOS 26. So all you need to do, just go into your browser, then search for Epic Games Launcher, and then Launcher, and you can add iPhone, and then it will redirect you to a site that you can download Epic Games for iOS. Then click install on iPhone or iPad, and I already have that installed. You need to agree on some permissions. Then once you access this Epic Games Store, you can directly download Fortnite by searching for it and then clicking the download button. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope this video helped. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next one.